Welcome back to another algebra practice. This time we're going to find the opposites. Just like the previous practice, we're going to factor out the polynomial. Let us look at the denominator, w squared minus 7w plus 12. Remember, we're going to find our two magic numbers. Multiply them. We get C. This is C, this is B, this is A. A is 1, B is -7, C is 12. Just a quick review. Make sure you still remember your polynomial. All right, two numbers. When we multiply them, the product will be C. C is 12. Same set of two numbers. When we add it, it will be B. In this case, it's a -7. All right, pause this video, see if you can find these two numbers. How about -3, -4? Multiply +12. -3, -4. Added -7. We got it. Now we come back here. We're going to draw two sets of parentheses and put our W in and put your magic number, beautiful number here, -3, -4. Done. Okay, let us look at 16 minus w squared. I'm going to change the color. 16 minus w squared. Did you remember this rule? Two numbers, a squared minus b squared, I can rewrite as a sum and a difference. Become a plus b and a minus b. That is the sum and the difference rule. So by the sum and the difference rule, I can rewrite this as 4 plus w times 4 minus w. Why is it 4? Because 16 is 4 squared. Okay, that's 4 squared minus. Then you just need to write down 4 plus w and 4 minus w. Then I'm going to come here. I write down 4 plus w and 4 minus w. Oh, wait a minute. If I do this, I don't find any common binomials I can divide out, I can cancel out. What should I do? Should I stop here? Actually, there's one thing we can do. How about if you look at a 4 minus w, how about you factor out a -1? If you factor out a -1, and this denominator will become -4 plus w, and w minus 4. Okay? In this way, you have two sets of w minus 4. One is on the top, one is at the bottom. You can start to cancel out. Or another way, this is what you can do. You can go back to 16 minus w squared, and you write as -w squared minus 16. You can start to do it right here. If you do it right here, then what you're going to have is w minus 3, w minus 4. I'm just going to copy down what we did before. And we have w plus 4 and minus 4. Looks like we have a little bit too much grouping symbol. That's okay. We can take away this grouping symbol. Give me some eraser here. Minus, minus. Did you see that? I used two different kinds of method, and both of them lead me to the same result. Now, we can start to use our previous strategy called divide out the binomial. Okay, so divide out, divide out. Then I'm going to rewrite. I have negative and w minus 3 and w plus 4. And you worked hard, you just find the simplest form of these rational expressions, but don't say, I finished. You have one more thing to do. We're going to find the excluded value. Remember, for excluded value, do not just look at this part. You need to go back to the beginning. You need to look at this guy. And you need to say, what value of w is, that will make this become 0. So all you need to do is to set this equal 0. So you have 16 equals w squared. 16 equals w squared. Remember in Algebra 1 you learned at this step we're going to take the square roots both sides. So we have w is positive negative square root 16. W is positive negative 4. This is your excluded value. Alright, that is how we simplify rational expression by finding the opposites. 2 different ways to find it, and also to find the excluded value. Happy learning!